Nah, don't. That's gonna make you slide, man.
Come right here. Yo, we don't even know you. Alright, we good. We is good. We gonna make this fucking...
Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
Yeah, Linda Boulevard gonna come on. I mean, no. It's over here, though. I know that. Yo, we can't get over this like this, boy. You need it?
Yo.
Alex, I'm touching you. It doesn't work yet. We're not gonna do nothing. You don't know that. I know it's not frozen yet. I mean, it's not open yet.
Another car.
Oh, look at that right there. We can't go straight, dog. I'm not going straight.
Hey, you should play that shit, though. Hold on, what street is mine? Hey, you should play this. Is Rumor. You can make a left. You can make a left.
Ow!
Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. Yo, punch that. Oh, shit. Close the window.
This shit never go, man. We got a bad window. What we got? We got a move. That's how we. Hey! Hey! Yo! Yeah! Oh, baby. I beat you. You said I beat you already.
Does it work?
No, he ain't that shit.
Oh shit, hold on, we going against the odds right now.
Oh, we done, boy. Let me look. Oh, I think it's over, so I think we done. I'm trying to tell y'all niggas, good. I think they digging the truck out. What the fuck? Yo!
Yo, you have to hit one of these main roads.
Yeah, so we can't be...
Make this right, because it looks like it's somewhat cleared out down the street. Go ahead and make this right.
Not that one.
Nigga, that's a left, nigga. That's stuck way.
Oh, we looking good on this block. I can see the shit. You see school? Nigga, you see that ambulance?
Nigga, I'd rather go around ambulance than motherfucking get stuck. Nah, that's double park, my nigga. That's double park. No, they... Oh, shit.
Alright, look, let me jump out and wipe the window. Yeah. Still ain't ready. We gotta go.
Nah, do not go left. Do not go left.
See if you're one of the first 100 callers and try it.
Yo, my nigga Alex is whipping it. Oh, no. No, we not, nigga. No, we not.
Fuck out of here, nigga.
We going the wrong way.
Don't stop. We gonna stop.
Oh, shit.
You want us stuck, dog? That's
next
Shut them, nigga. I know where we at. I know where we at, nigga. That's just something. People had to get off. We nigga. Get out. We should have range. We don't have range, but this shit would have been like the third.
Nah, we could. What is this, Pennsylvania? Stop, now look. Oh no, you got it, but my fault. Make a left.
Yeah, we good.
We on Pennsylvania. This shit is cleared off a little bit.
Hold on, main block. We gotta hit main block home. Close the fucking window. Oh, I was fucking it up. I just making sure we good on my side of town. Something hit me, nigga. You good? I'm not. I'm making sure. Look at this out here on this block, though. I want to see who's gonna race. You want some niggas racing? Come on, man. It's fucking snow. Oh, look at how. Baby.
She don't like, oh shit, I really want to ride though.
You know she started walking in this snow, man. Pennsylvania, but I gotta look out the window because I got a free from embarrassing hair loss. We go on the front end, right? 600-0209.
Yo, niggas is really walking in the middle of the street.
Before you buy it. But hurry, because supplies are extremely limited. For your free trial, call 1-800-600-0209.